Political power is usually distributed into three main types of systems. We see three types of political distribution in the international system: the unipolar system, the bipolar system, and the multipolar system. These are the balance of power systems that we find in the international system. What are these three balances of power or distributions of power? We will focus on them. These three different systems reflect the number of powerful states competing for their power and hierarchical relationships. The presence of this balance of power system or the distribution of power system in the international system indicate that powerful states are competing for the dominance of the international system.